This is a slightly unusual review of the Mobvoi watch about 3 Ultra GPS. Here I will talk about this watch on the one hand for everyone, for example, for those who have not previously encountered this company's watches. On the other hand, I will give a small, but very important in my opinion, comparison of these watches with another very popular model of the manufacturer, probably from Google. It is this part that will be most interesting to those who have already used similar watches, only without marking Ultra in the name. Therefore, if you are interested in a certain topic, then I remind you that you can go straight to it using the time codes in the description of this video. Well, I suggest we go directly to the review after you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you. My review of the comparison of TicWatch about 3 GPS and the new version of Ultra will start with the kit. The boxes of the watches are absolutely the same size, and the colors have been preserved in the same spirit, and what is inside is the complete set is absolutely the same. But even here we can draw the first important conclusion. The new watch and the previous version have exactly the same charging cables, and interchangeability and versatility are always a plus for us users. Now an observation on the design part. The execution itself has not undergone any radical changes, and this is probably a good thing. But the bezel of the new smartwatch has become striped, the control buttons have also got stripes, and the same story happened with the strap. A striped pattern appeared here. It looks nice, gives some freshness and dynamics to the design, and if you think otherwise, do not forget to share your opinion in the comments. But the changes that affected the complete strap, I was personally very pleased. Not only has it become a little thicker, but its surface has become as if velvety. So wearing the new version of the watch has now become even more comfortable, and the watch sits on the hand as if cast and you pay less attention to them. The main part of the watch case is nylon and fiberglass. The bezel is still made of stainless steel. The new Ultra watch, like the regular version, has moisture protection according to the IP68 standard. You can swim in the pool with them. A little later I will show my swim with them. In addition, it was the new version that received a case that corresponds to the American military standard MIL STD 810G in terms of security. The back of the watch is generally very difficult to distinguish from the previous one. There are contacts and charge and oxygen sensors located and look exactly the same. You can distinguish the watch from the back side only by paying attention to the buttons or straps. By the way, they are of the same type. They are 22mm and they can be easily replaced without problems if desired or necessary. The protective glass of the novelty is a burning eye. The old version had no information about the glass manufacturer, but I did not catch any scratches during use on either version. Under the glass, like the old and newer versions, there is a dual display. This is an amulet with a resolution of 454 by 454 points and with a diagonal of 1.4 inches. But a monochrome FSTM is installed between the glass and the amulet, on which you can see a decent amount of information, both in normal use and during training. Display. This is one of the main features of the current and previous generation models, as it shows a lot of information, but consumes very little energy. And the main feature of the additional display in the new version of the watch. This is a color backlight. In the usual version the backlight is white. And besides, in terms of brightness, in my opinion, it is not as bright as the new one. So TicWatch about 3 Ultra has the ability to change the color of the backlight of the additional display. Well, for example, according to the mood. There are a lot of colors, and in the evening or in a darkened space it looks very cool. Well, in bright light, the backlight is still almost invisible. The second display of the watch is really very good. You get used to it quickly. It helps in training. Important indicators are displayed there. For example, jogging. This is the distance, pulse, duration, calories, pace, current time. And in the clock mode, such a display will show the time, date, number of steps taken and the remaining charge. And I repeat, this display is beautiful not only for its informative content, but also for its ultra-low energy consumption, especially if you compare it with a standard amulet. It is interesting and important that the watch has not only 2 displays, but, as the manufacturer says, also 2 processors. The main one is the Qualcomm 4100 platform for wearable devices, and the second one, additional from Mobvoi. A second processor and an additional display allow you to use the clock in the basic functions mode. This is a time display, step counting, and sleep tracking. But the main thing is that in this mode it is called the Essential mod. The watch can work on a single charge for up to 45 5 days. That is, thanks to this, a smartwatch can be turned into a simpler watch, with a couple of additional chips, but at the same time very long playing. As they say, you give each decent smartwatch 2 processors. By the way, it is inside the application with the mode settings and the essential mod that the color of the backlight of the monochrome display is selected. Let's just say it's not the most obvious place where you expect to find such a setting. The display of any version of the watch supports the always-on function. This is when the dial is constantly displayed on the display, and, of course, this increases energy consumption. Both displays are, of course, touch-sensitive. The clock is controlled by touch, swipe on the screen and a couple of buttons. In both versions, double-clicking on the top button activates the maximum brightness for a short time, in case you are on the burning sun all around. A long press on the same button calls the Google Assistant voice assistant. In theory, it can also be called with the OK Google command, but I did not succeed, perhaps because not all the features of Google Assistant are available in all regions of the world. If it works for you, be sure to tell us about it in the comments. Well, if you hold this button longer, you can turn off and restart the clock. The bottom button performs a bunch of functions at once. By default, it opens a menu with built-in workouts from Mobvoi. There are already 21 of them here. A little later we will talk more about sports. Another purpose of this button, it helps to pause or completely stop the workout, which helps, for example, in the pool. Well, or in general, for example, if you are wearing gloves doing sports outside when it's cold. But you can assign any other application to the same button. We hold it for a long time. A small submenu opens, and it is here that you can choose another purpose for the button. The clock interface is a standard VRS operating system from Google. There is a conditional desktop here. This is a dial and a menu. Swipe to the right on the main screen opens the Google Assistant page. Swipe to the left shows cards that can be customized at your discretion. The software shell from Mobvoi differs from the standard one only in the location of application icons. In the menu here they are displayed in pairs. The dials can be changed at your discretion. Some of them can be adjusted or changed functions, sometimes partially, and the appearance. Dials are downloaded from the full-fledged Play Market store for watches, and all the necessary applications are downloaded there. For example, I downloaded the Compass app, Altimeter, Notes, the app on the right and Spotify, and of course YouTube Music. It is already clear from the name that the watch has a built-in GPS and they can track workouts without having to connect them to a smartphone. At the same time, the training track will be saved, synchronized with the smartphone and even transferred to third-party services, such as, for example, the Right or the Rank Keeper, and the APPL. This is APPL Health. The watch is connected to the smartphone using Bluetooth 5.0. They have Wi-Fi, so the information in the applications on the watch will be updated not only through the smartphone, but also through connecting to the router directly. Of course, the watch also has NFC. Connect your card, bring it to the terminal and pay for purchases with hours. It's convenient, I use it all the time, and it works through a reliable Google Pay service. The first time the watch is connected to a smartphone via the VRS app, later you need to install the native application from Mobvoi. There will be workouts with hours, activity throughout the day, reports on pulse and oxygen levels in the blood, data tracking sleep, stress and noise around. Here it is worth paying attention to a couple of important differences between the new model and the old one. Pro 3 Ultra, unlike the standard Pro 3, received an updated pulse sensor and are able to automatically track and warn about arrhythmias. Probably this is how it is correctly translated. In addition, in the application on the watch in the Ultra version, you can find out your energy level and your level of mental fatigue. Most often, during the time of use, these indicators have always been quite high. Well, it happened, like, for example, today, when I didn't get enough sleep at night and these indicators floated right in the middle of the day. Well, by the evening most often, even if I was energetic in the morning, then slowly these very indicators, of course, decrease. What can I say about this function? In principle, it seems to me that she quite adequately assesses my condition, and my feelings correspond approximately to what the clock shows at the moment. A few words about what the smartness of these watches actually manifests itself in. Well, for example, in the fact that you can install applications here, the ones I mentioned earlier, or, For example, there are Google Maps that will broadcast the route here from your smartphone, and you will not need to constantly take out your smartphone to see where you are going. You will be prompted by the clock. You can put an application of some services like there by calling a taxi. I just love using the YouTube Music service on this watch, because in the premium version you can download tracks here, upload your playlists or individual tracks, and then connect headphones to the watch and listen to music while jogging without a smartphone and from the memory of the watch. Of course, this is all available in the premium version. Well, exactly the same system works with the Spotify application. If you have a premium, you can listen to your music while jogging on this watch by connecting wireless headphones directly to them. Of course, do not forget that the battery will be consumed much faster. I won't say for sure these figures are meticulous percentages of some kind, but it will definitely be faster. So do not forget, if you want to listen to music and work out, for example, to run, then the watch must be well charged, because they will consume energy much faster. Also, the smartness of this watch for me personally is manifested in working with notifications, because you can respond to almost any notifications right on the watch. If you receive a message, for example, in any messenger, then right on the clock you can respond either by voice or text. Moreover, the text works in the swipe too. It's very nice, even in Russian or English. Please, no problem. Take it, use a swipe. And of course, templates also work here, and you can just like it. If you saw that someone wrote something to you on Twitter or some tweet that popped up here on the clock as a notification for you, you can immediately like it. That is, working with notifications on such watches with Rust is simply amazing. For this I love them very much, and they help me to avoid unnecessary contact with my smartphone as much as possible, because you can configure notifications and make a sort of filter of unnecessary notifications that can come to your smartphone. But at the same time you see on the watch that this is some kind of unnecessary thing, or turn off the receipt of this an unnecessary notification on the clock and do not pay attention to it. That is, the clock works for me as an additional filter and as an assistant for responding to these very notifications. On the watch, notifications from applications may appear with sound or only with vibration. And here is another update from the new version of the watch. The vibration of the Ultra model has become not as rattling as it was with the previous model. The watch, by the way, can show not only notifications, but also receive calls and make calls, because there is a microphone here, there is a speaker here. The speaker, by the way, in terms of sound quality, it seems to me, has not changed at all, but I will show you how the microphone works directly by recording a little further. Well, again, since this is a smartwatch, there is a contacts icon here. You can call directly from your watch, if you don't want to take your smartphone out of your pocket. That is, the watch performs, in fact, the role of a headset that is connected to a smartphone via Bluetooth.
This is how the speaker of the top clock sounds. This is about how you will hear your interlocutors.
В текущий момент я разговариваю именно через динамик часов. Примерно так вас будет слышать собеседник, если вы звоните именно через часы. Часы в режиме гарнитуры.
And this is how the watch looks while jogging. The user has a choice. Use the main, color screen or monochrome, which uses much less energy and has all the necessary data on it. After the workout, the watch displays full information about the results. Running data can be sent straight to the right from the native app if your account is connected in the mobile app on your smartphone. With the watch, you can not only run or ride a bike, but also swim in the pool. Well, now let's check how they feel in the pool while swimming. And this is what the results of my workout in the pool look like. Please note that the watch correctly recognizes the swimming style. I swam 2 laps on my back on purpose, which is displayed in the application. It's funny, but after transmitting the training data to the right, it turned out that 1 lap of my swim was lost. Although I know for sure that I swam an even number of laps, apparently there is a small jam on the service side on the right. Well, now a few important observations about how the clock sensors work for me and in general about collecting information about activity from the clock. How does it work? The oxygen level sensors in the blood of the new watch work quite well. Their result is on average similar to measurements of other non-professional devices. The heart rate sensors in the new model have been pumped a little. This is a nice update. Perhaps it will help someone to pay attention to health problems in time. And judging by the comparative tests and measurements during training, it works quite correctly. Well, professionals, those athletes who need the most accurate pulse measurement during training, can connect a chest device. The counting of the steps of the TicWatch About 3 Ultra, probably for the first time during the tests of different watches and bracelets, almost completely coincided with the bracelet of another manufacturer, whose data I more or less trust. And on the days when I wore these devices together, they almost simultaneously informed me about the achievement of the goal in steps for the day. But in the running training mode, TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra during my tests gave out a slightly longer distance and a slightly higher pace compared to the previous model. So, for example, during a 35-minute workout, the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra watch showed a distance of almost 500 meters more than the application I used for the test. Accordingly, the average pace on the Mobvoi watch was higher. Of course, I have no way to say with absolute certainty which of the devices and applications provides more accurate data, but on average, literally in every training session, the result of TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra was higher. But the sleep tracking of the new watch has clearly become better. So, in comparison with the previous model, the clock was much more accurate, and the number of awakenings and the time of awakening fully corresponded to reality. And I respect the Mob for the clear progress in tracking sleep. But in terms of autonomy, the new watch behaves exactly the same, within the same framework as the previous model. At least I didn't notice any huge difference. I used them mainly with an active monochrome display. When I raised my hand, it was highlighted, showing information about the current time. And if I needed to read my notifications, I touched a button or a touch screen. If, for example, you don't like using the watch so much, then you can configure it in such a way that the main screen is lifted and activated and shows you all your notifications that you have just received at once. I remind you that you can order this watch in Ukraine by following the link in the attached comment to this video. In the same place, I ask you to leave your questions about these watches and generally share your opinion about the new product from Mobvoi. Subscribe to my channel, like this video and see new videos. For now.
You subscribe to my channel. Did you click the bell to check? You subscribe to my channel.